Herbert Hoover, known as the Food President, was an avid cook who used his culinary skills to promote food conservation during the Great Depression. Instead of merely giving speeches, he demonstrated cooking methods that maximized nutrition and minimized waste, famously popularizing recipes for Hoover stew. Its campaigns included community cooking contests that united Americans in efforts to combat hunger. Surprisingly, Hoover even hosted famous food demonstrations at the White House, showcasing nutritious dishes that became staples during tough economic times. This unseen side of Hoover not only impacted American dining habits, but also highlighted the deeper connection between food, community, and leadership during a crisis.